Hi, I'm Barbara Schmalz with Solid Health Insurance Services, and I want to provide my customers the best possible health insurance and life insurance, which is still at a very affordable price. My biggest forte is the small business, and actually my small business is a little bit different defined than other people's small business. I have groups from 2 to 20, and I also have sometimes families who can't get insured, but maybe the wife has a business and we can figure out a way to insure you as a group insurance. Prices on group insurance are more expensive than individual insurance. A lot of people don't know this. And the reason for it is that they have maternity coverage and they have no pre-existing condition. We run all the comparison and we're trying to fit the budget. And that's the most important for a small business, is how much can I spend?